So you're done recording a YouTube video, but now you need to make a thumbnail. And this is where most of you guys struggle. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a thumbnail on Instagram in less than 5 minutes. Before we get to this video, make sure to subscribe. The first step is pretty simple. All you need to do is take some photos of yourself doing funny reactions or any reaction basically on a clean background. Here are some shots that I took. Now that you're done taking your photos, you're gonna need a clean background. So go to Chrome and search for blue background. I like this one, so we're gonna download that one. I've already downloaded mine. So go back to your gallery and choose the image that you want, and then you're gonna hold on to the image, copy it. This is on Samsung, by the way. You can also do it on your iPhone. So go back out and you're gonna go to your Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon, story, and look for that blue image that you have downloaded. You're gonna rotate the image. We don't want any filter on it. Make sure it's nice and zoomed in. Tap on the letter icon and then you're gonna paste that image right there. Rotate the image so that it's nice and straightened up. Zoom it in so it's nice and clear. This is a session of me coming from the gym. Apologies guys if I'm shaking too much. There's no one to hold the camera for me, so I'm doing this handheld. Now you're gonna want to add some text. Probably go for gym routine, right? And then we're gonna choose a nice font. I think this bold one is good. You zoom that in and then we're gonna rotate it nicely like that. It's looking pretty good so far, I'm not gonna lie. So you're gonna add some icons, probably an emoji. If we type gym, you'll see that there will be an emoji right there, and then that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna zoom that in just like that, and you've got a thumbnail in less than 5 minutes, which is insane guys. And thumbnail making shouldn't be that difficult. You don't need too many things, and I'm sure the click-through rate of this will be insane. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Save that. Once the photo is saved, go to your gallery and you'll see the photo right here, which is amazing. A free thumbnail from Instagram. Now that I've helped you guys create a thumbnail in less than 5 minutes, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.